I'm coming. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, plug that in. That's interesting. Good morning, guys. I blame Tesh for being late. Good morning. Alan, good morning. Oleg, good morning. Dave, good morning. Jay, good morning. John, good morning. Natalia, Ayo, Trevor, good morning. Okay, let me get some music going. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Okay, let's see. Mark, Mr. Clark, good morning. Cheesy, good morning. Patricia, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hi, hi, hi. Laurie, good morning. Ty, good morning. Dylan, good morning. Eric, Ayo, Ayo. Pomate. I'm well, Didi. How are you? Azul? Is today the day GME is gonna cook? Bunny, it is looking good, isn't it? I have it on the other screen there. The S&P kind of pushed up a little bit, but don't think we really need to be paying a whole bunch of. Let me pull up KAVL. Yeah, that's a really nice pop, isn't it? 122% really quickly. By the way, these guys had news. Not that we need to bring that up again, but so they had news this morning. Let me know when you're ready. Oh, okay, wrong channel. It's like, wait, what? Perfect. Yeah, it looks like we have a bit of resistance, like between 140 and 150 on this one, buddy. So just keep that in mind. Stay greedy. Green, not greedy. Ready? Stay green, not greedy. WZ, good morning. John, good morning. Matt, good morning. Bemi, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. I think that's everybody. Happy Monday. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend and that we need money still. So let's make some monies, please, and thank you. Yeah, it kind of looks like we're stalling here for KAVL, doesn't it? KAVL. Okay, let me edit some of this. TGL just keeps failing on that double top, which honestly isn't a massive surprise. Anytime a stock gets close to $1.20 like that, especially one that's been pushing for a while, that level will always be resistance. Always. XPON with another gap up this morning, but it's also stalling at 15 cents. NVVE kind of the same thing, right? Resistance at 820, even though it's holding the 200 EMA. This one is Azul's favorite name of the morning. Well, okay, not favorite, but CTOR, that thing needs a lot more volume if it wants to break out. Maybe at the open, maybe that volume can kick in, right? SGN has done a good job holding the 200 EMA, but it also has a lot of resistance there at 40 cents. And then Wheeler, nice pop, but then it gave it all away, right? Okay, so back to KAVL. I think it's actually looking really good into the open, isn't it? Looking good into the open there. Let me see here, actually. Okay. Looking good into the open. Anybody FOMO into this one? So again, they had news this morning, and the stock said, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Good morning, Olu. Scott, good morning. Good morning. Okay, how do I do this? Yeah, should be good. Perfect. Good morning, Doje. How are you? How I use yeah the well, I mean, so the one thing that I do like for TGL though is that even though it's failing to break above resistance, it's still forming some higher lows. That's usually a recipe for boom skis. If we get back to $1.20, if we can get back up there, that'd be a good thing. If it doesn't, then dead, right? XPON again potentially retesting the 200 EMA at 1090 ish, 11 cents. And then NVVE is holding that 200, so that's still a good thing, even though it has a whole bunch of supply right above it. Wheeler, meh, still just sitting there. And then let's just leave it on KAVL for now. I want to see what KAVL does into the open. And then I like TGL as well. So the question is, without KVL, I think TGL is my favorite name going into the open, but it's closer to resistance than it is to support, and the market will open soon. So just be mindful. Alrighty. XPON, let's go. Yeah, so you need that thing to just stay above 11 pennies there, and then you should be good. Crypto, stay above the 200 EMA. Yeah, Mara. Yeah, Bitcoin had an okay weekend, I guess. I mean, it didn't give away those gains, so that's a good thing. But it wasn't amazing as we hoped or expected, you know. Usually when the market has a good week, Bitcoin usually has a good, I mean, like it has everything it needs to go boom skis, but for some reason it doesn't want to. So next week we're gonna see BTC back at, anyways, let me be quiet before I get a slap from Tesh. You know? Anyways, KVL is still looking good. So slow and steady on that one then. Anybody holding KAVL? Anybody? Still looking good. Again, the closer we get to $1.50, the more cautious you should be. So that's usually that resistance. What chart is this? 149. Uh, hmm. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see. Do, 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 do. Yeah, perfect. Jay, you did? Okay, nice. Yeah, so 150 resistance there on that thing. Yeah. And then I mean like the flow for Wheeler is just ridiculous at this point. Like I said last week, if Wheeler was a $10 stock, this thing would be up 100%. Right? The fact that it's so close to $20 already, I think people always just hesitate. Like, okay, how much higher is it gonna go? So in order for this thing to really start moving with some good volume, it's gonna need to get back above $20 and 50 cents, buddy. Right? But it is trying. You know. Yeah. So I mean, the current float is 600,000 shares. That's not a big float if the volume can kick in. We'll see. Right. So again, we still like TGL. Question for you guys in the chat though: what's your favorite name going into the open? What is your favorite name going into the open? Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Jaspreet, quad. Okay, sounds good. No, 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 no. Good morning. Hmm. There goes NVVE. Up the 200 again. Not horrible though, right? This is the list of pre-market gainers from this morning, guys. If I can close this out. What the hell is that? What was that? Uh, hmm. As long as it stays away from number one. Number two and number three safe, right? No, Jasper, yeah, they had news. Yep. Max says TGL and SGN. Okay. Uh, yes, exactly, Jericho. Be greedy with the like, you know. Yeah. Yeah. That one's been spammed a few times in Discord too. Spammed a few times in Discord. Yeah, looks like KVL is struggling with that 150 for now, isn't it? The S&P gave away all those little uh, pop candles it had. Interesting. Cheesy, let's go. So cool. Um, I mean, yeah. Um, anyways, something to keep on the watch list, Jaspreet, because that thing doesn't look good at all, right? There's really nothing to see there. Alrighty. Maybe at some point it's gonna move, probably, but um, I just don't see anything on that chart that I like other than the news. Dan, good morning. Ayo, ayo. There we go. So TGL is slowly creeping back up again. Again, TGL is most likely again, like I said earlier, without KVL, TGL is our favorite name going into the open. But obviously, we can't. You know, KVL is still there. So there's two names. Two names. KVL. KVL looks a lot better in terms of like technicals. But it's had a nice run already. So let's see. Let's see what happens when the market opens. You know, Virus. Good morning. Good morning, Varys. See, I miss I anyways, Shaftman, good morning. Next unloading at $1.18. Okay. Yeah, this last candle only pushed to $1.14. So if you start getting some lower highs and you break below that bottom, then you have a problem. Then you have a problem. CB, good morning. Uh, okay, there you go. Something give us the boom skis. Give us the boom skis. Mm. Even this morning in pre-market, I think there was some good scalps, but nothing really stood out as we would have liked. It's like nice little runs all over the place, but nothing's really going boom skis because you want it to be Doge. Keys in, hopefully something. Um, yeah, Apple is going down, Shamir. Yeah, most likely why the S&P. Uh, there you go. Get it a car to get that thing above 10 cents, and then we'll talk. You know. It's India and Brazil. Okay. India and Brazil. Tell them to bring the money to TGL instead. Yeah, Apple needs to. Those dudes have enough cash that they should be able to innovate. They shouldn't do. They need to do something. So they need to do. They can't just keep releasing one update every year and calling it brand new. You know. Anyways, yeah, TGL is still slowly trying to give us the breakout, but 7 minutes to go before the market opens. Uh, 1 second. There we go. On load at $1.13. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So that supply zone is slowly creeping down there. So that might be a good thing. Let's go, Jill. Welcome back. I think yeah, Jill, your thing just ended, right? So you just had to renew. Welcome back. What is that filing there for KAVL? Hmm, interesting. Okay. I see. There it goes. 140 KVL. Mm-mm. Regulation disclosure. Financial statement. Yep. Why is it going to? Why is NVVE going to $23? I mean, the float is nice. It has the recipe of one of these smaller stocks that has a nice low float that could go boom skis above $10. But why $23? Azul, your dark horse is doing okay, isn't it? CTOR slowly creeping up above the 50 EMA. Still needs more volume, but it's doing okay. There goes KAVL, slowly pushing back for that high of the day here. 144. Is that the high? Yeah, that's the current high. High of the day, 147%. $1.44. Market opens in less than 5 minutes, guys. Less than 5 minutes. There goes new highs of the day for KAVL. Okay, let's do this. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. What was the other name in that list as well? Almost 19%. Cool. Perfect. There we go. New highs of the day. Good morning, Queen. Hello. Hello, hello. Uh, yeah. Chase, I would throw that money into into becoming a gold member and getting help with entries. Donald, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Don't laugh. Uh, every time I drive. Like the one you plug in so they can see like your braking, your speeding, your driving habits. Oh, that thing is such a scam. You know, they're like, yeah, put that thing into your car so we can see if you're a safe driver, and then we can reduce your insurance. Get that rubbish out of here. Get that rubbish. Yep. Yeah, PJ, that's virus. That turned into Diddy. 148. This thing is moving like a snail, isn't it? Good thing is that it's green though. Highs of the day. What's TGL doing, guys? Nothing. Yeah, still retesting that $1. Retesting $1. 50 seconds. Market opens. XPON. So what's NVVE doing here? Nothing. Yeah, just kind of consolidating. So it's between KVL and TGL, isn't it? Good morning, CM. There goes 149 again. So 150 resistance as usual. And the market's open really soon. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. And then it's violence. I'm just gonna leave it on KVL for now. Let's see what happens here. And here we go. We're about to break 150 maybe. Maybe not. Is it frozen? A little bit. Super slow stock though. Crown just had some news. 33 million. Crown division secures a two contract for lead pipe remediation. 33 million. Cool. Okay. TGL is like, yep, no thanks, not yet. Volatility. So let's see if that thing can stay above that 200 EMA. Alrighty. So $1 support on this one. And we're back into the same range. And KVL is dipping from 150. So again, resistance at 150. XPON is retesting the 200. Nothing happening here. NVVE is holding that $207. Wheeler, nothing. So it's still between KVL and TGL. Maybe some NVVE too. I mean, these were the three names with the most momentum coming into the open, anyways. So it looks like they're all fighting to break out. KVL, TGL, NVVE. NVVE is like, I want to break out. $7.80. TGL is not really giving us any reason to be excited here, is it? Other than the fact that it's holding the demand zone at the $201, which it needs to keep holding. Otherwise, it's gonna die. So again, we need to hold the bottom of that level and then break back above the little silly downtrend. KVL broke above like 150 really quickly, but it never really closed above. And that's why it's really important that like when you're looking for to buy the breakout, the candle needs to close. Otherwise, you get scammed. Uh, there we go. It's halted down, guys. KVL is halted down. Sheesh. Sheesh. No FOMO at the open, please. No FOMO at the open. Otherwise, you end up at the bridge. NVVE is looking good, though. There goes new highs of the day on this one here. New highs of the day. It's a lot of supply up there. Lot of supply up there. For TGL, it's now or never. That thing needs to find a way to stay above that dollar and keep closing above a dollar. Otherwise, it's bridge time. Let's see here. Yep, of course. Of course. There we go. There we go, TGL. There we go. Give it to us. I think needs to break that 112 and actually close above it, and then 120 after that. There we go, 113. You can kind of see that little pink line that it's failing at, though, right? That's your downtrend that it's formed there. Where's the bridge? Wherever Mullen is at is where the bridge is at. Um, yeah. So we're still failing to close above. Maybe this candle will do it though. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Do we break above now and just go? TGL. Thank God it's what? It's the anyway, somebody give me a good last word for an L. Um, anyway, so that's a triple top though, right? So we keep failing at that 118, 120 range. No, it's not doing much, cheesy. There we go. Give us the breakout. 119. So again, we need to break above 120 and close above 120 and then boom skis from there, please and thank you. Please and thank you. NVVE is still looking good, guys, right? Highs of the day, but pre-market high was $8.76. So a ways to go before we get to that pre-market high. With almond flour, I like it. I like it. Yeah. I wonder if we come back and get a second retest of that demand zone or if we just go now. If we just go, 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 go. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us in Discord. Alrighty? 116. If you're holding TGL, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding TGL, type in yes in the chat. Here goes 120, guys. $1.20. Yeah. Sheesh, that's a lot of resistance. My goodness, whose grandma is sitting on this thing? Sheesh. Doche? Yeah, you wanted that 120 though, right? Tesla's at 142, 46 now, but Dan, my goodness. Yeah, seriously. Wow. Let's go, Martin. $1.20 TGL. Give it to us. There we go. There we go. My goodness. Someone doesn't want us to close above $1.20. See, we just hit 124 new highs of the day, and then that thing came right back down below 120. But come on. Ayo, Grim. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Here we go. 122. Grim is here now. It's time to cook. It's time to cook. Grim is here. Give us 124. Ish. That thing's like, oh, Grim is here? Oh no, go the opposite way. What have you missed, Grim? Fairly slow morning, but we're hoping that TGL can give us monies here. There we go. Anyways, that was a really good dip, though, wasn't it? Right? That was a good dip to retest at the open, right? The demand zone and the 200 EMA. That was really good. Only problem is all the supply we have at the top here, and you know what I mean. So, but we finally broken above that resistance, so that's a good thing now. See if we can. What's the float on this thing? I haven't actually looked at the float. 1.3 million. Like that's not a huge float, is it? Anyways, we are hitting brand new highs of the day though. So our favorite name is cooking, guys. Well, I mean, if we can consider this cooking, you know, but it's green, right? We'll take green. So we can say we're cooking, right? So again, our favorite name coming into the open just because of the way we were creating these higher lows, right? When you can look at a stock and it has like easy levels to read into the open, especially, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. KAVL is unhalted, guys. So again, that $1.50 acted as resistance. So let's see if we can find support around $1.20. And then it's holding the 200 EMA, so that's a good thing. That 11 cents we talked about earlier, right? XPON. Wheeler, again, micro float. That thing just goes up and down like a yo-yo. You know, and then NVVE, massive supply zone at 850, and then that resistance at 876, right? So another name to keep on watch for sure, though. Really surprised how slow TGL is, though. With a micro float like that, maybe we can come back for retest and then go booms after that. But Clearly, Gail, good morning. So healthy, right, Grim? So healthy. You know, they're good for you. Almond, almond. Speaking of almond, you guys want to see my avocado, guys? Oh, you can't. Dang it, you can't see it because of the stupid green screen. Uh, dang it. Well, anyways, this is an avocado. Well, I wish you guys could see it. I might need to turn off the green screen here really quickly so you guys can see my avocado. TGL looks like we're just filling in that supply zone, right? So maybe just a retest here. Let's see if we can get a higher low on TGL. Because again, don't really like the way that it's moving. Something weird about it, right? Archer, congratulations, well done, well done. $1.27. Yeah, honestly, again, especially in the morning, sometimes when you see that resistance, you take the monies, right? It's a rubber avocado, PJ. It is actually. Yeah, that looks unhealthy. No, it's healthy, guys. So yeah, it's healthy. It's a healthy avocado. It, anyways, um, uh, we are bouncing back above $1.20, so that might just be a retest. Okay, settings, virtual background. What about? Can I click on none? Would that help? Oh, there you go. See my. Yes, guys, see that? You see what it says, guys? That's my avocado. There you go. Are you happy now? Can we move on? Okay, we can move on now, right? You're happy? Okay, good, Grim. So I can share my avocado joy with you guys. In 4 days, PJ. Congratulations. What did you play with TGL? Love it, love it, love it. No, it's yeah, it's a birthday gift. You know, because people always ask me like, hey, what do you want for your birthday? I'm like, I really don't want anything. I don't need anything. I don't want anything. So then they're like, well, we're just gonna order you or whatever. So I got an avocado because I didn't want anything. So every day I wake up and I see this, I'm gonna go eat an avocado. Well, not that, anyways. So yeah, yeah. Anyways, we're talking about avocados because everything is kind of sitting in the balance, right? TGL came back to retest that breakout. Around $1.14, $1.15, and then we're back to testing that supply zone. So we need to break back above the top of the uh, yeah. Well, Ty, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to travel, huh? Yeah. Yes, yes. I blame Dan though for that. It's Dan's fault. Airline gift cards. That sounds like a good idea, actually. Huh. Okay. Next time someone says, "Hey, what do you want for your birthday?" I'm gonna say airline gift cards. Anyways, KVL looks like we're going back towards $1.40 and $1.50 again. Hmm. And then TGL is coming back down. So that thing, unfortunately, is having such a hard time breaking above $1.30. Right? It's really not behaving like a stock that has a micro float, though, is it? It really isn't. So I mean, at this point, watch for that dollar again. Let's see if we can stay above $1 already. Um, see if we can stay above $1 there. Everything just kind of looks weird this morning. XPON again, 200 EMA bounce. Right, your next support is right above 13 cents. Uh, Coconut oil. Uh, you just like, oh, New Orleans. That sounds interesting. Wait, that thing is halted down. TGL is halted down from this drop. My goodness. Again, this is why stop losses are very important. 9:45. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 2 minutes then. See how the markets react to that. And then KVL is halted up. Wow, 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 wow. Interesting. Halts like this are quite silly, Lion. Just because they're not exactly doing anything special, they're just halting in the same range that we've been looking at. Um, yeah. 1320, William. Like you're up 50% on it? Okay. 1320. The other one that looks okay. The other one that looks okay. SGN is curling up that demand on a 27 cents, so that's good. LASE though, it looks like those guys have done a split. When did they do a split? Is my question. It wasn't this morning, was it? Interesting. Not that it really matters, but it's pumping though. It is pumping. Good morning, Joshua. Good morning. LASE. What's the volume doesn't look that impressive, but with these split names, you never know. You never know. TGL is still halted down. Good morning, Raven. Ayo. No, I will not be cooking my avocado my rubber avocado in you know Dan was being mean to my avocado. Says nobody cares. Unbelievable. Um, with the catalyst is a chat pump and kiss of death from those dudes. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can break above $1.50 and close above $1.50 for KAVL. Then, if we do, then that's a good thing. That is a good thing. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. It really helps. And let me know if you have any questions. Alrighty. Yeah, let's see what KAVL does here after the on halt. See. See what happens here. $1.30 and what stop loss would I recommend, Hamza? In the green, please. Yeah, I'd go right below the hot price, right below 140 in this specific example, just because you're really close to resistance. It looks like NVVE is cooking again, guys. Right. So again, that 876 was that pre-market high. It looks like we've hit that level and we're failing again. But it's not looking too horrible, though, is it? Well, maybe now it will. But that was your double top from pre-market for NVVE. NVVE. LASE is hitting brand new highs of the day, $15. For anybody that's in that, congratulations. And it looks like we hit a double top. So again, obvious resistance, right? When it comes to support and resistance, guys, you're never again. People have asked this a few times, like, okay, does resistance mean that you're looking for all the way to the top of the? You're never looking for the very top. You're always looking for the last level that it failed at, if that makes any sense. Alrighty, so always pay attention to the last level that the stock failed at. Right, so you can't just sit back and wait for the tippity top of the double top or whatever you're waiting for. The last level you're failing at will always be a problem. So for this example, you can see right here on the left hand side that it failed there. So that has to be a level that you're paying attention to instead of the very top there. Alrighty, TGL is still halted down, right? KVL is still halted up. So just waiting for those two to on halt them. Just waiting. Yeah. There we go. KVL is unhalted now. Let's see if these candles can close above $1.50. Right, there goes 160. Oof, boom skis. I bet you that thing is about to on halt again. Boom skis. Yeah, it's halted up again, guys. So beautiful. If you had that stop loss anywhere below the hot price, anywhere below the hot price, that thing did not hit your stop loss. You just sold it line. Congratulations, well done. And he's been cooking this morning with LASC, so that thing is failing at $15 for now. Psychological resistance level on that thing. So TGL is still halted down, guys. Not sure why it's taking so long, right? Oh, I guess it's on halted now, right? So it's still. Let's see if we can stay above that demand zone, above the 200 EMA. If it doesn't, then problems, problems. This candle is going to be very important here. So anywhere close to $1 seems to be acting as support this morning, but it needs to hold. If you're holding KAVL or if you made monies in that thing, type in yes in the chat. Uh, I did a stop limit for what, Doge? Stop loss executed on which one? Oh, on the a stop limit, and then it executed on the on halt on KAVL. Okay, sounds good. Let's go, Natalia. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Love it. On TGL? Okay. Instead of a stop loss, you did a stop limit. Yeah, you really need to pay more attention to your orders, please. Like you really need to. Um, yeah. Anyways, it's not that far away, anyways. You know what I mean? So, sounds good, Rob. Did not sell my stop loss now at 160. That's a good thing. So that's a good thing. Yeah. Because stop loss screwed you a lot. Um, yeah, again, like I said, it's not that far away, anyways. This is not one of those stocks that will on halt and explode up or on halt and explode down. So that's the good thing in this case, Doge. LASC is hitting brand new highs of the day, guys. That thing is cooking there. Woof, my goodness. 1538, cooking. From the very open, that thing is not, it's been holding the 9 EMA really well, actually. So again, congratulations if you're in this one. Sheesh. Well done, Natalia. Well done, well done. 162. Okay. That was a really good curl too, though, wasn't it? There you go. There goes $16. My goodness, is that thing cooking? Woof. Dang ye. You should diamond handed this one. I'm kidding, by the way, but my goodness. Took 260. Watching for okay, perfect. Thank you, Grim. OTRK. I'll keep a close eye on that one. There goes TGL again, guys, trying to bounce up that demand zone, right? It's not like this level is a brand new level. It's a surprise that we're holding this level. It shouldn't be, right? Because it's been holding this level multiple times this morning. Um, it's almost going to need like KAVL to die because if something else is running, maybe this just doesn't have the volume to move yet. But yeah, if it can stay above this demand zone and hold it, then there's still a chance. There's still a chance. There's always a chance above the 200 EMA, but it needs that volume like now, though, because it's getting a lot of selling pressure. Um, $1.14. There you go. And then we're waiting for KAVL to be unhalted here. Yeah. So are you still getting screwed with the stop losses on Weevil, or is that just the Robin Hood thing, Doche? My goodness, look at LASC, guys. Sheesh. That thing said, "We shall not stop" on Robinhood. Yeah. Weren't you supposed to move already though? There goes the on hold guys on KAVL. Woof, 180. Dang. So for anybody that had that stop loss in there, your stop loss should have executed, or you should be moving that stop loss up, right? So should be good to go. Uh, $1.70. Too many. Can't guess too many things. Um. Okay. There goes TGL guys. So we are still bouncing up that 200 EMA, right? We're holding the bottom of the range, so that's a good thing. The only question is, do we have enough momentum to get back above $1.20? Like I said, as a stock that only has like 1 point something million shares, it's behaving like a heavy stock. You know, it goes $1.19. It's just all over the place. But again, the good thing is that we are at least having to, we're at least holding the bottom of the range, and we're back above $1.20. You know, so for me, for KAVL, that thing just needs to stay above the price that it initially halted at, right? So that 163 just needs to keep closing above that, because if it doesn't, then we're gonna go back and retest 150. That's it. Cool, cool. Here goes 176. Some oil on the market. Come on. 172. Give us a push. Give us a push. It's stalling a bit here below 180, isn't it? Uh, Wait, so you sold that position, Hamza, or you have a sell? Okay, there we go. Good morning, CD. GME intraday session high. Okay. GME TGL. 120 resistance at this point. Yeah. There goes a bit of a breakdown there. A bit of a breakdown. Perfect. Good job. Well done. And it's halted down. Perfect. Today's the first day of fall. Oh, wow. Perfect. There you go. Yeah, no, it again, it's really fighting, right? Really fighting. I'm surprised. There we go. Finally. My goodness. And watch, now they're gonna halt it up, aren't they? They're gonna halt it up here. And yeah, they halted the damn thing up. So again, back into that demand zone was perfect, wasn't it? Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. There we go. See, that thing needed KAVL to go down, right? It couldn't run. It's very rare that we get multiple names running at the same time, especially when they're kind of similar, like penny stocks, you know what I mean? Unless there's a direct sympathy, usually. You smell weakness? Oh my goodness, those are viruses. That's virus's favorite sentence, you know? Favorite phrase. Yeah, so TGL is halted up. Now that KAVL is selling off, TGL is like, yay, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. If you're holding TGL, type in yes in the chat, which I know a whole bunch of you guys are. My exit. Chris, I'm telling you're cooking after that one-on-one. My goodness, cooking. Yeah, love it. Let's see what happens after we get unhalted here. So coming into the open, our two favorite names were what? KAVL and TGL, right? Two favorite names. So those are the two names that are cooking this morning. One's cooked, and then now the other one's cooking. You got stopped at the $1.15, John. Yeah, right in the middle of the range. Whenever you put a stop loss in the middle of the range like that, it's completely okay if it protects your money. But you always also have to be aware that like if your stop loss isn't below like the support, the level that it's been below before, you're kind of playing with a bit of like fire, right? Um, and this is exactly why we keep saying every single day like I love when stocks sell off in the morning because then I know exactly what I need to do for my stop loss, right? And how big my position needs to be. So let me give you guys some secrets, right? So let's say a stock is selling off in the morning. This is what I do. So if it's a stock that I like, right? I want to see that sell off at the open. I really do want to see that sell off at the open because what it does is it gives me a base. It gives me a bottom, and that lets me know that okay, anything above this is okay because it's a higher low, right? Anything below this is not okay because now we're hitting new lows. Don't like that. Hate, right? So let's say you bought this thing in this demand zone, right? Well, now I'm thinking to myself, okay, well, I mean, your stop loss has to go below that bottom, right? And then now you have to decide, okay, if my stop loss has to go below this bottom and that's going to cause me to lose too much money, okay, well, I need to reduce my position because that's where the stop loss should be in the first place, anyways, right? Unless you just don't want to because you want a bigger position, then you just have to figure it out, right? So let's see what happens. Ryan, good morning. Are you just waking up, Ryan? My goodness, you're just waking up now? Unacceptable. You missed all the monies already. Okay, so let's see what happens when TGL gets unhalted here, guys. We need to open and close the candle above $1.30. That'd be a good thing. KAVL obviously hit resistance 180 and backed off, right? So this is why, again, it's really good to just leave your lines in the chart because we didn't put these lines here this morning. They've been on here on KAVL for a long time already, right? That initial line at $1.50 worked. Now this line at 180 is also working. So I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other lines. Yup, right? The higher we go, there's more lines in the chart. So KAVL needs to break above 180 if it wants to cook again. Alrighty. XPON, that double top worked really well, didn't it? Right? NVVE, meh, resistance, back down. LASC, retesting potentially for the first time. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. You smell weakness? Weakness. Monies. Nikolai's cooking. Chris is cooking. What's going on here? What's going on, Nikolai? Yeah. KAVL is unhalted, guys. And we're still in that 160-ish range. I think that's the good thing with these two stocks we're looking at this morning is nothing is unhalting and halt and halting and unhalting at a like crazy price, right? Nothing is on halting and unhalting at a crazy price. So let's see. We're back to 170 for KAVL. So we might just stick with these two names all day today, honestly. You know what I mean? So yeah. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Uh, uh, the other one's unhalted actually. TGL is unhalted. It actually popped all the way up to 135 and then came all the way back down to to the abyss. So these two names are all over the place. All over the place. That doesn't seem right, does it? Yeah. So as you can see, right, we technically really haven't had a candle That's closed above that resistance at the top of the supply zone. So we're gonna need one to close above $1.30. If we can close above $1.30, okay, then give us $1.50. Alrighty. So we need to push. You want a FOMO? Push. There goes 133. This thing moves the price action is so weird on this. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbob, and come join us. AMPX is hitting brand new highs of the day. AMPX. Again, anytime we get close to $1.80 on KAVL, it's resistance. Alrighty, resistance, and then TGL also needs to do better. Do better, please, and thank you. We need to close the candle above resistance and go. Let's go, Ryan. Thank you very much. Thank you. There we go, guys. Brand new highs of the day. Boom skis. About time you sell it, stock. Keep cooking, please. Keep cooking, please. Let's see if that candle actually does end up closing above where we need it to close, though. See if we can close above. Let's go. 137. 137. 138. So that's our first candle. Our first candle finally closed, and then we just got brand new highs of the day here, 140. So then your next resistance, if we can break above that, 145 and then 150. This thing really moves very slow. For a penny stock with a micro float below 2 million, it's moving like a stock that has 100 million shares, which is really suspicious. But keep managing that trade as you see fit, though. Right, so move those stop losses up if you need to. Move those stop losses if you need to, please and thank you. The easy trade on this was, again, trying to get in at support, right? Or maybe even getting in on the break above that last resistance we had, right? Or getting back above the 9 EMA was the easy trade on this. We're a lot closer to supply now than we are to support, so be careful up there. Be very careful, please. Anytime you get close to $1.50 like that, some people like to take their profits and move on. So, KVL, what are we doing here? Still just consolidating? Yeah. Right. So in order for this thing to pump again, it's going to need to get back above 180. You're back from the dead, Koto. Welcome back from the dead. And then it looks like LASC here is just kind of building a bit of support at $14. XPON, nothing, not a thing, right? Super weak. Super weak. And then look at this one. My goodness. Again, sometimes when you see resistance on a stock, just sell the damn thing. My goodness, look at that. Double top, beautiful, straight to the abyss, and it's still dropping. Wow, from $8.70 all the way back down to $6.20. Right? Sometimes just take the monies and run. It almost feels like KAVL and TGL are inverse of each other. As soon as TGL goes down a little bit, KAVL is like, oh, you want to go down? Don't worry, bring the money over here, please. Bring the monies over here. So KAVL needs to break above $1.80 still, though. I was wrong about Mont. Yeah, no, again, not that anybody in the chat was listening though, right? So yeah, when you see resistance on a thing, Mont, you don't say $23. And even if you do, I don't think anybody is really, you know. Come on, something give us a breakout. Something give us a breakout. You scalping this morning, Dan and Q? Did you get rid of those Tesla puts on Friday virus? I think you did, yeah. I think you did. TGL. Come on now. Come on now. Like I said, like the quite a few nice scalps that we, to the quite a few nice scalps from this morning. But nothing really, like nothing has gone crazy today. Even though KAVL is up 185%. You know what I mean? Like it, most of that came in pre-market, but and we're just kind of playing around here now. What was the top gainer coming into the open? KAVL. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Scalp, 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 Dan. Scalp, scalp, scalp. Let's see if we can stay above the 9 EMA here on TGL. Hold the 9 and get back above 140. Use slow poke. Uh, if that thing drops below anything, honestly, Lion, and then people are gonna panic. Below anything, Midas touch, especially $1.50, and then $1.45. Below that, then yeah, to the abyss. I want to look at Tesla. Tesla, all the way almost back to 250. My goodness, wow, look at that. Sheesh. Almost like someone knew though, because this thing exploded on Friday night, and then just continued the run this morning. Sheesh, Tesla. Hmm. Tesla's like, let me cook, please. Let me cook, Dan. Let me cook. Strong market so far. Can't fight it. No, exactly, virus. Exactly. Here we go again, KAVL. Uh, did I leave? Okay. You know when something's right in front of you and you're looking for it. Okay, perfect. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, it looks like TGL is really failing at resistance, though, isn't it? I'm surprised they haven't halted it on this drop. But anyways, let's see if we can stay above the 50. So $1.16, $1.16 to $1.17. Alrighty, and then the one that's actually pushing for resistance though is KAVL. That 180 resistance. Let's go. Let's go. That Chris is just cooking on a different level. Cooking on a different level, Chris. Love it. He's just looking stock general. Red to profit. Red to profit is just cooking. That's Chris. After that one-on-one last week, woof, the man has been on fire. So yep. And again, that's something that people don't understand for like one-on-ones is Chris has a way of thinking, and we just had to get him to the other side of it, because he's an overthinker, and as an overthinker that can be really dangerous in the markets. But here we go again, retesting the tops. KAVL. Let's go, Jason. What done? It's actually halted up. So KAVL is halted up here, guys. Ready? Yeah, the avocado method more than me. Doce, yeah, yeah. So some people are just overthinkers, in the market. And I've said this before. Like the more you know, as an overthinker, the more dangerous that is because you're trying to apply. Some people learn stuff, which is amazing. You learn all of these things in the market because that's your personality, right? Overthinking, doing a lot of research, but then you try and use all of it at once. and it's like your mind is like, what's going on here, you know? Um, yeah, Doche. So you just, again, any new thing you learn, you first of all have to have that foundation and say, okay, this is my strategy. First of all, like, this is my strategy, right? So anything I go learning forward now has to benefit that strategy, right? If I'm taking a position, all I'm looking for from the brand new thing that I've learned is to confirm that strategy that I have, right? That's it. That's why we recommend paper trading, right? Paper trading, paper trade, find a strategy, and then again keep learning things to, to benefit that strategy, right? So that's all you're looking for. You know what I mean? So since I've been here, working at Tesla keeps you busy. Yes, good, 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 good. Vladimir, how are you? So again, KAVL is halted up, guys, and TGL is bouncing off that level we just talked about of the 50 EMA, and it's going back up to 129 again, right? This stock moves really weird, but it's not giving up though, which is the good thing, right? We're back above $1.30 again on TGL. So scalp, 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 scalp here, scalp there, scalp, 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 right? So if you're still holding KAVL, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're still holding KAVL. Net hesitant and boom is gone. Yep. Overthinking, Olu. Overthinking for sure. Um, Again, there's a way to fix that, right? So that's what you get for a one-on-one membership. That's what you get for becoming a goat, right? We work in some of the basic things. No, 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 no. Lee, you're in at 141. Okay, well done, Lee. Why is it that like this morning it's all the red names in Discord cooking? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Lee is cooking. Lee got into KVL at $1.41. Lee, why is Lee cooking, guys? I don't know why Lee is cooking. Maybe because he's a GOATS member. I'm kidding. Let's go see him. Well done. Yeah, let's see what happens when this thing gets unhalted here. SGN is hitting brand new highs, session highs. Session highs, SGN. Just waiting for this one to be unhalted though, and then we can look at some other things. Let's go, Martin. Where have you been? Uh, um, yeah. Give us the on hold. SGN. Hmm, not exactly appealing though. Even though it's hitting highs there, that chart just looks a bit sus to me. Let's go. Let's get to 200 likes, guys, and give away some free memberships. Alrighty, guys. So again, smash a like if you haven't already. Raven is giving away some memberships. That should be pretty easy to hit, right? Since again, yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, so smash a like, guys. Let's get to 200 so Raven can give away some stuff, giveaways. So again, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and all the other fun stuff. All right, Harry. Working at Tesla. Give us the on halt. Again, TGL is still just playing with $1.30 for now. LASE looks like it's bouncing up to 50. What time frame is that actually? Um, Not the one I'm looking at. Someone sent me a chart, but there goes a double top. So again, a double top and a breakout for KAVL. If that thing can actually close above $1.86 though, then that we can call that a breakout, right? So we made brand new highs in that candle, but not necessarily holding them. Let's go, Diddy. Yeah. So we're not exactly closing above that double top. Don't tell me they halted this thing down. Like, what are you guys halting here? Honestly, it's halted down. What are these guys halting? Can somebody tell me? Anyways, most likely a good halt though, just because again the stock is up 195%, so it doesn't take very much for them to halt it, right? Doesn't take very much at all. So, but still, like honestly, like what the hell are you guys halting here? What are you halting? Unbelievable. What are you halting? Stop halting the damn thing. Uh, hmm. Predicts many more rate cuts over the next year, citing focus on employment risk and significant inflation reduction. Okay, so more cuts coming this year into the next year. Yep, I mean we knew that already. We knew that already. Crypto, let's go, let's go. Yeah, so look, they halted the damn thing down. So uh, uh, BTC highs of the day. Let BTC cook, please. Let BTC cook. Good morning, Nitro. Boring pre-market. It's been like again. There's been some scalps. There's always scalps, right? You could have played TGL or you could have played with KAVL, and either way, money's right. But I understand when you say it like slow. You've been up since six. Our time 6 o'clock. Yeah, you should have just paid attention to TGL and KAVL. Those two were good, right? So a few scalps on either of those, and you're happy, right? But I know what you mean when you say slow though, because there really hasn't been a standout, right? No standout as like what's Bitcoin at? Still below 64. Yeah, that thing hit 64.7 last night or yesterday, but or earlier today. But like in the 24-hour cycle for Bitcoin is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, 6 a.m. UXIN. Is that just a filing? That was 3 hours ago though. UXIN. Interesting. Do. Are you miracles? They should be. They should be. For those of you guys that missed my avocado, shame on you. You're showing up late. Is that a new filing? I don't think so. Okay. You know it's a bit slow when we're talking about yeah. Let me do a split view here between BTC and the S&P. Yes, please get back above 570. There we go. There we go. So we did not break below that 568 this morning, which is the level I think that we should have been paying attention to, right? So as long as we stayed above that 568, completely okay. Now we need to get back above 570 and just stay above 570 and go boom skis. You know, let's buy cook, please. Special occasions. Yeah, no, I went to check the mail. Well, yeah, yeah. And then I was like, what is this? Initially, I was very confused, I was like, why? Why do I have an avocado? Anyways, So we are unhalted on this one KAVL. These candles really need to get back above a dollar 80 and close above a dollar 80 and then a dollar 85, and then we can push for $2. Alrighty, but that 180 is a necessity. Come on, you can do it. Something needs to cook, otherwise the S&P can just keep cooking, you know. Now it feels slow. So yeah, that's an aggressive candle there. Aggressive candle virus. Yeah, back to KAVL because this one's looking a bit more promising than TGL, isn't it? A bit more promising, but they're both kind of struggling at resistance. Uh, there we go. 179. Come on now. There we go. 180, 182, 83, 84. Come on, give us that 85 already here. There we go. 185. Can we start closing above these levels now? 189, 190. Ooh, there we go. 191. Okay, so we could if these guys halt this thing again, I'm gonna fight virus. Okay, good. I thought they halted it. They did not. Virus was about to yeah, let's go, let's go. There goes KAVL 195, highs of the day again here now. Come on. Lee, you took those profits though, right? 180, 181. Good sell. Seven. Crypto. What's your entry crypto? And just be make sure you move that stop loss up if you have one. We now need to consolidate above $1.80. Alrighty, if we can, then yeah, $2 is coming. So the more candles we hold above $1.80, the better. The better. The more candles we close above that range, the better. TGL is still holding the 50 EMA, which is good. For some reason, the stock just hasn't had the volume to go boom skis, which is really weird. Like I said, for that float, it should have done way better than it has. But anyways, 188. You're half out at 184. Well done. Well done, CM. Yeah, let's see what the other half does here now. Probably days. Probably. For now, it's a retest of 180. And so 180 is the more important level here. But yeah, we can close. If we can bounce up and push back up, that's perfect. Which it seems like that's what it's doing. Seems like that's what it. There we go. 189. You can do it. Back to 188. We keep coming to 188 for a reason, virus. What's the reason? What's the reason? And we're back to 188 again. Nitro, okay. And there it is again. And we're stuck on 188. There we go. This is wild. Anyways, Do, 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 do. Come on. I smell weakness. Yep. Yep. We need to stay above 180, otherwise weakness is gonna happen. A lot of short interest at 188. No, that's not it. That's not it. 188 is a magic number. Magic number, guys. There you go. We're back to 188 again, huh? Almost. Maybe they don't want it to go back above 188 now anymore. Maybe. Like, you shall not pass. 188 should be your sell. Anyways, let's see if these candles can play around 180 and close above. If not, well, we can go back down and test the abyss. It's going to be really important to see where this candle closes at. Alrighty, if we can stay above the 20, then we're still fine. We're back above 180, right? So if that candle closes above 180 after retesting the 20, there's nothing wrong with it. So, and we're back to 184, 186, and there's 188 again. Like 188, you're out, CM? Okay. Yeah, it is stalling, isn't it? It is stalling. The other thing that's also happening here is look at these candles. You're also getting some nice lower highs too on those candles. But again, so watch that 20 EMA and then the 9 EMA there, which is 180. Alrighty. So if we close the candle below 180, and then we might have a problem. True. That's another high. That's another lower high candle there. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow in pre-market. Okay, sounds good, Grim. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Good night. Chat later. Alrighty. Later. So this candle has about another 20 seconds left on it. See where we close. There you go. What's the S&P doing? Still 570-ish. This candle is going to be very important because it looks like it might be that might have been a perfect sell for you, CM. Right. So again, lower highs, close below that 9 EMA, straight to the abyss. Right, and sometimes that's all it takes. Right? Just close below the 9, and they send it to the abyss. No, Mons, yeah, it's not really doing anything, is it? Not really doing anything there. Wow, they halted the damn thing down. Yeah, they did. They did. KVL is halted down. Really good exit, by the way, CM. Smiling. Every time this thing halts down, it almost seems like TGL is like, oh, they halted the other one down. Let me skip up a little bit. TGL. I bet you we're going to be talking about these two names all day because they're going to be going up and going down and going up and going down. And now he's playing with BDTX. I want to see if the other one runs. Okay, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. Octo. OCTO. Exactly, Ryan. Exactly. Yeah, with volume like that, 77 million, and 1.35 million share float, I am really surprised that that thing is behaving the way that it has. Super, super slow. Super slow. Uh, okay. And like 20 minutes on the bounce, done for the day. Well done, Chase. Congratulations. Woof. Good monies. Yeah. That thing was on the list coming into the open, but I just never really paid attention to it. Um, yeah. And there wasn't the price action on here wasn't amazing though. You most likely just got in at the bottom and then sold at the top, which is nice. Yeah, the price action was not amazing. What's NVVE doing? Consolidating, kind of, right? $6, 590. Super weak though, below all of those moving averages. Why do I feel like TGL is not done yet, guys? Like that thing is gonna give us another run for 140. Hopefully, hopefully. NVVE, yeah, NVVE is trying. You're out at $1.31. Nice, Noah. Green is always good. Working from the office today. But let's go, TK. Ayo, ayo. KVL is still halted down here, so just waiting. The S&P still below 570. Yeah, does kind of seem weird though, virus, doesn't it? Like you said, sideways for the most part. Yep, sidewaysness. Super slow. Yeah, it is kind of boring. It's like again the scalps all over the place. As long as you take the money quick, and you're not sitting there and diddly daddling, however you pronounce the. Anyways, Dad, be quiet. Come on, give us the on halt already here. Octonauts. NNE. Octo. Waiting for a few weeks. I know, right, virus? Seriously. Seriously. Ryan, thank you, thank you, thank you. Scrambled eggs with chorizo, cilantro, lime potatoes, oof, and orange slices. Sheesh. My goodness. Unhalted on KAVL. Again, like I said earlier, like these two stocks, TGL and KAVL, they're both halting and unhalting, but they're not really doing anything drastic after the unhalt, which is a good thing. Unless they go crazy. Like if we get back above $1.80 or $2 for KAVL and it halts up, then it's gonna cook. But for now, it's just kind of playing games around the same price. Dilly, daddling, daddling. Focus. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Very interesting. That's exactly what the market's doing today. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? See, now I want to go to now I want to go visit Dan so I can have amazing breakfast. So delicious. I want to go visit Dan. Let's go. Let's go. Give us something, please, and thank you. My goodness. Cilantro. PayPal. PayPal's chart looks nice, doesn't it? So does Alibaba. Alibaba has been doing really well. Undisclosed obesity drug development program and it's making some investments in third party. Hmm, okay, interesting. Uh, chicken of the woods. Ooh, let me go look. Let me go look in the food channel. Oh my days. Oh yeah, and I saw. Oh, chicken. Oh, the like the mushrooms. That looks so cool. Ah, with the potato with some cheese on it. Oh my days. Sheesh. I want to go to the woods. Zane, what looks like it's ready to break up? Now it's retesting the bottom again here, so closer to 150. Um, the S&P looks like it's about to get slapped too. Everything just looks sus, you know? Yeah, it just looks like weakness all over the place. Weakness, weakness. La, 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 la. AMPX. Okay, let me take a look. AMPX. Not amazing volume. The way the candles are moving, but the stock has behaved really well today. Done really well. Also, not amazing gains, but right, moving the right direction. NVVE still looks like it's building a bit of support in the demand zone, so that's a good thing. Uh, Hopefully, it stays above that $6 support there. And then TGL just playing with us here. KAVL is retesting that 150, so let's see if we could get close to 150 and then bounce. 150. Yeah. Instead of the noodles, wow, it does look amazing though. It's amazing. Kind of looks like ground beef. The TGL just popped, guys. It did. There it is. There is TGL, guys. Finally, finally. Can we close above 140 though? Can we do it? Because that's what needs to happen here. $1.40. There you go. Let's go, Justin. Well done. Congratulations. Love it. The S&P dropped like that and just came all the way back up again, Virus. So clearly there's confusion in the markets. Confusion. So again, support closer to 150 guys for KAVL and then TGL is cooking, trying to at least. We still need to close above $1.40 if it wants to go, but it's not quite doing it yet. So yeah, like again, like these two names, we're most likely going to be talking about these two names, but they're just the scalpies, scalp in, scalp out, scalp in, scalp out. Uh, the angry pepper shirt. Oh yeah, okay. Let me go look again. Actually, I wanna know what an angry pepper shirt is. Recipe. In the woods. Do you have winter where you're at? Do you have winter where you're at, Raven? Uh, After it breaks, that's okay, Nikolai. That's okay. That's completely okay. I know, right, Dan? People don't like smashing the like for some reason. And there's even a giveaway, free memberships at 200 likes. Free memberships. Lots of snow and under 0 degrees. Okay. No wonder you enjoy the the summer the way you do. Here we go, guys. Retesting the highs of the day again here. Come on, TGL. Let's go, Justin. Well done. Congratulations. Give me a high five. There it goes. 146. Ooh wee. This is how this thing should have been popping the whole damn time, The whole damn time it should have been popping. A shirt from there? Oh, that's very cool, Pyro. Very cool. I thought I was about to go see like a whole giant angry pepper. There we go. On the 10 second. Come on, Monty. 145. It's almost like the volume left KAVL to come over here. We don't mind, right? We don't mind. We don't mind. And then obviously 150 will be the next little obstacle here if we can hold this 140. Tesla. The consolidation was too tempting. Yeah. Nice little base there. And then pop pop. KAVL is getting slapped, isn't it? So no signs of curling yet, right? So for now, dips, 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 dips. When was the last time you had a dance party on stream? I don't remember. I don't remember. Don't remember. But we can have a dance party on Friday since it's the birthday. We can celebrate together. You know, you guys, me and my avocado. Anyways, yeah, like today, Dan. Yeah, it seems to be going all over the place. We're about to push back about 570 for the S&P at least, and it looks like that supply zone at the top is becoming a problem for TGL. Hmm. Hello, Paul. All the red, yeah. Yup. Wait, Virus, what did you do with that futures account? Oh my days! Remember that account? You were doing so well with that account. Did you send it to the dark realm? What did you do? How are you doing, Paul? How's the market today for you? The S&P is just playing here, and TGL failed. Magic. uh, magic. Yep. Futures is a science, isn't it? Ooh. Do, 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 do. Ooh, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, perfect. Paul, that's not an answer to your struggle, though, right? That doesn't work like that. You need to paper trade, Paul. Right? When you struggle, you don't go into hiding. You paper trade. Right? Paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. Fix the mistakes. It doesn't matter, right? You can leave. You can stop trading for a week and come back the next week, and the market will still slap you because you haven't fixed anything yet. You have to fix the mistakes, right? So you don't stop trading. You paper trade instead, right? You paper trade, you write down the rules, nothing changes, you stay aggressive. You might need, again, it's okay maybe to take a step back and relax, but then you keep paper trading. No, 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 no. Yeah, they did. Back to $1.30. I mean, the good thing is that at least we're, holding a higher low now. Uh, Holding a higher low. Sheesh, these stocks all just look sus. NVVE with a nice curl there. Where's Alan? Alan, did you get into that thing? I hope you did. I hope you did, Alan. And you took a little scalpy, right? So good support of $6. Uh, See you later, Tesh. QH? Okay. See you in Discord. See you in Discord. Uh, Perfect. mRNA weekly chart. Okay, let's take a look. I will take a look ski. 80% restricted for you. Why are they restricted? You live in the States. Why are they restricted? Ooh. Ooh. The good thing there too is that it's sitting at the very very bottom. What are you thinking? Like some calls or what? That's a nice looking weekly chart actually. I think was at when is this May? 174 all the way to 64. Sheesh. Yeah, you're taking some calls maybe. Okay, yeah. The only thing you could do here, the only thing you could do is what we talked about. When we had that options class, is when you see support on something, on anything, on a bigger time frame like this, instead of jumping in immediately, just wait. Go to a smaller time frame like the 15-minute and see if you start to get a curl. And if you're getting that curl, that's your confirmation, just in case it wants to keep going to the abyss, right? But yeah, no, that's a nice looking chart, and it kind of rhymes with the left hand side there too. So yeah. What's the very bottom of that candle? Yeah, so you could honestly just set a stop loss like 70 cents lower and you're fine. Yeah, exactly, virus, exactly, right? So yeah, it's one thing to hit that support, but it's another thing to get that confirmation, right? You want to see that the curl is starting to come in on a you can't use the bigger time frames, don't really help, because by the time you get the confirmation that it's curling on a daily or weekly, that thing is $5 higher, right? So then that 15 minutes, you can tell that okay, we're already at support. I just need to see a bit of something here. So uh yeah, Diddy's here. Did you post that chart already? I might be I'm pretty sure you posted this chart already in the options channel. What's up? Yeah, Diddy is uh yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's the mRNA 1 week. So something to watch for sure though, in case it wants to curl. Uh One second. uh, hmm. QH. QH with a pop. Yeah, no, not the way that it's performing. I don't think it's completely done yet. Unless we break below 120, then yeah, maybe. Okay. Another scalp nitro. Well done. Well done. Well done. That thing should have enough volatility with the. Back to $1.30. The S&P is having a hard time getting above 570 and staying above 570. But I mean, at least it's closer to the top than it is to the bottom. As soon as I say that, we get a fat red candle. Oh my days! You're welcome, Virus. Let me leave it alone, please. Anyways, NVVE has done a good job curling and consolidating and curling on the bottom. So that $6, 590 for NVVE has been good. Good morning, Carl. Good morning. Uh, there you go. Um, yep. Wait. Which one? Which one? Oh, how come nobody pays me to pump stocks, guys? How come nobody gives me monies? I think it's because we trash stocks more often than we don't. Can you imagine if they gave us monies to pump Mullen? Sheesh, that'd be the most money they wasted ever. Sheesh, we give cookies. No, I want somebody to give me monies. How come? How come they give everybody else monies and they don't give us monies? Unbelievable. Sheesh. All they have to do is come on and listen to us talk about AMC and Mullen. And they're like, yeah, no, this is not it. This is not it. Really? Yeah. La, 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 la. Anyways. Oof, look at NVVE. My goodness. From the 200 straight back to the abyss. That's pretty scary because there's no way you can react with stuff like that. Uh let's go, Mons. Welcome to the community. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Uh There we go. Pretty nasty drop there. What's KAVL doing? Nothing. Nothing. It's failing to hold the 9 EMA, and then TGL is just super slow too. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, again, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Smash the like, hit that subscribe, all the other fun stuff. Again, Raven is gonna give away memberships if we get to 200. We're only 50 away, guys. 50. So smash the like. Let's get to 200. So smash the like. It's free. Free, free, free. Uh, right? I mean, anything, something pump, Slow Monday. Getting good scalps though, green for the day, right? Most of you guys should be green for the day today, even though it's been super slow. If you're green for the day, type in yes in the chat. If you're green, type in yes in the chat. This might be like a second half of the day boom skis. Let's go, Justin. Thank you very much for the super chat. Bump and dump? No. Again, I think it's because I think the difference is like we spend all day together for the most part, Justin, right? We interact all day, and I do a lot of one-on-ones with you guys. It's more of a family thing than it is like so when people just do videos and they have no idea like who's getting into these positions, and then it's easy to pump and dump. Let's go, guys. Yeah, quite a few of you guys are green. Good. Yes, love it. So yeah, again, with especially with KAVL and TGL, which were the two main names this morning. Yeah, you should be green. Should be green on your positions. Let's go, Dan. It's the breakfast. It's the breakfast you had. The breakfast. Uh, there you go. Can I look at QH? Of course. Of course. Oh, okay. 1 second. And then let me take a look at QH. What's your position? What's your question on this one? Let me know, Andre. Let me know, and I'll take a closer look. What's your question? He did. Edit. $1.30. So for QH though, as long as it stays above $1.25, you're fine. I'm not sure if you're looking for an entry though. That's my question. Again, Justin, thank you for the super chat. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're looking for $1.88. Oh, that's your entry. You shouldn't be in at $1 unless you bought this thing at some point earlier. Then maybe. Uh, yeah, what did you buy that thing at? 188. Magic. Magic. And some baby oil, PJ. TGL is again not giving up, but is just playing with us at this point. Playing with us at this point. Oh, okay. You got it on 188. So you've been holding this thing for a while then. Um, Yeah, see, you held this thing all the way down to $1. Yeah, all the way to 90 cents actually. And now it's coming back up. Your next resistance is 144, 150. So if you can break above that, you might be on a path to potentially getting your money back. At this point, though, usually, so again, so this is how like I would manage a trade that I'm in, and I'm like heavy red, right? So you were down, half on that position. Um, so then you obviously don't want to go back to 90 cents, right? So the higher we go, you have to find a stop loss and say, you know what? At some point, I was down $1,000. I was down $500. I was down $50. I don't want to go like to down $50 anymore. So then I'm going to move my stop loss. Now that it's recovered some, I'm going to move my stop loss to $40, to $30, to $20, and then you leave $10 a room there maybe, and then hope that it keeps going higher. Hmm. Coconut oil. TGL breakout? No, TGL is not breaking out. It's just not breaking out. You're welcome, Andre. Yeah, yeah, the 50 EMA. Yep, yep. Seems to be the magnet on the stock. Uh, yeah, QH is looking not too looking okay though. So there goes your $1.50 test for QH, Andre. So you're getting close, right? So don't let it go back to $1, please, 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 please. There we go. MBY 77 from last week. Is it worth holding, or should I get out break even? Let me take a look. Sheesh, BTC. Let's go. There you go. Weakness. You smell weakness, Joe? Okay. NBY. Weakness. So you're still at break even on this thing. I would almost say I would almost say like get rid of this thing, break even. It's not like it's consolidating at the bottom. It's hanging in the middle of nowhere. Like it's just chilling up there, right? Since Friday, like it's just chilling there. I mean, again, maybe the one thing that you can do though is just set a stop loss, right? If you don't mind holding it, right? But it's not really doing very much. That's the problem though, right? Like it's not at support, it's not at resistance. What is it gonna do? Who the hell knows? You know, patience plus confidence. Monies, monies. It looks like QH failed at $1.50 resistance. Let's go, Joe. Well done. Joe's back to cooking again. Cooking in the futures. Choo, 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 choo. Hmm. It's- you're calling it? That's a good day, Joe. $2,500 monies. Monies. You didn't quite make it to Dan's goal though, but monies. Just 500 more dollars. Good monies. My goodness, it really was a slow day. Again, like good scalps today. Easier scalps, right? With two names there, but yeah, quite slow. Quite slow. Let's give it 10 more minutes, guys, and then see where we're at. Already? Uh yeah, that is true, Joe. That's true. That is very true. Very, very true. Yeah, Friday was nice for you. Uh for 2 weeks. Shamir's only looking for boomskis, not virus. Spy pump, spy pump, spy pump. Let's go. Came off our 200 EMA moving up. Still slow, low volume. Yeah, just like most names we're looking at today as well. Super super slow. I bet you though something's gonna cook after lunch. Something's gonna cook after lunch. The question is what's gonna cook. Over 22 to red to green. Nice. Very nice. I saw the little you posted the option chain. Was that Roaring Kitty that put all the monies back in there? Was that him? Hmm. That dude. That dude seems very fishy. Very fishy. GME does look okay though. $22. Uh, for the 250, Joe. Oof, that's very nice. And then get payouts, please. Okay, my. Hmm. Choo, choo, choo. Yeah, again, like as long as we stay above the 200 on this thing, as long as TGL stays above this stupid white line, there's always hope. Always. If we close below that white line, then though Ryan, then there's no hope. Then there's no hope. Zero. Mm, Perfect. LASC looks like a nice little weight inverse head and shoulder, though, doesn't it? Um, yeah, 14 to 15, 15 14 14 $15 resistance on that thing. Yeah, good curl of that inverse there. Good retest too. There you go. Nice little curl. And then KAVL just looks like it's sleeping now. But again, it's still above the opening price, and it's still above the 200 EMA. So maybe there's still hope. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe. Mm-mm-mm. Is the entire market red yet? It feels like it's coming, huh? Maybe not. Maybe not. La, 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 la. $2. $2. Let me check the scanner here. Anything else that we like, maybe? Hmm. Okay, let me take a look at that one. That looks interesting, doesn't it? Of course. Yeah, the spread on this is a bit ridiculous though because the volume just isn't there. Uh, yeah, S bet. Funny. As soon as we're looking at this one, it hits the bot scanner. Interesting. The volume is just highly suspicious to me. I don't like the way that it's behaving there. The when I say I mean the spread. Even the volume too is 20,000 shares. Like it's nothing crazy. Yeah. KVL is bouncing. Yeah, kind of. Kind of. NVVE still doesn't look, even though it's below the 200, it still doesn't look. It still looks like it's holding that $6 support. NVVE. Yeah, one of these names just needs to pick momentum, and everybody's gonna FOMO. When everybody's bored and they're just waiting for that one thing, and then something shows up, they're like, "Yes, FOMO, 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 FOMO." The only problem is nobody really knows, what that is. And we will find out soon enough. As soon as we hop off and go to Discord, something's gonna cook. So Saban, come join us in Discord. Come join us. I'm convinced now. Half of them are bots. And I think people just don't like. Some people just don't like to smash like. I guess you know. Pumping in now in range. Yeah. Yeah, I think everybody's ready for what's the next holiday? Halloween? No. You guys have a holiday like starting October or something. Wait, when's the next holiday? Uh, choo, 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 choo. Wait, really? All the way Thanksgiving? Uh, yeah, Thanksgiving. So there's nothing in October then. So yeah, 2024. So this first column here. So we had Labor Day already, September 2nd, and then uh, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. So what this means when you get a hot like so this means that the market closes early on the market closes early on Thursday and then close on Friday. Yeah. So Thanksgiving. So the market closes early on like at Joe. Let's go. Daily good dance, daily go. Love it. Sometimes you need to apply pressure. Sometimes you need to do it. And then Christmas. I feel like when it's like we should have more holidays closer to Christmas. Like more holidays. Like they should close the market for so people can like fully enjoy the holidays. Because that holiday is like 2 days. Well, like close early one day and then close on Christmas Day. That's it though. XPON, yeah, there's a bit of a bounce there. But yeah, so these are your holidays for the rest of the year, right? So basically, two more holidays in the next 3 months, right? Uh, but for these two holidays, though, the market is closed early the day before. So 1 p.m. the market's going to be closed for Thanksgiving on Thursday, and then Thanksgiving holiday, and then same thing for Christmas. Right, the market's going to be closed like on Tuesday at 1 p.m. and then Christmas on Wednesday. Jay, that's every day though. That's every day. Well, that's every Saturday and Sunday. You know, KVL still fighting. Oof, that was a nice push to $50 actually for LASC. Nice. QH retesting at 200 now. Oh, TGL is looking highly suspicious. I think wants to close below the 200, doesn't it? Let's see what happens there. See what happens. Yeah, SBET is an interesting name. I'll set an alert for now on this thing. See if we can ever break above 90 cents and stay above it. Alrighty. And then let's move on to XPON here. Yeah, let's see where we are in 5 minutes, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord so I can get ready for some other stuff. But yeah, nice little bounce. That 13 cents resistance is still there, though, isn't it? Saban, come join us in Discord. You're missing out. Come join us. I promise you something will cook today, and you're gonna miss it because you're not a member. So again, become a member. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot, and come join us in Discord. Stop missing out. Usually, when it's slow like this, everybody like walks away, and they get distracted a little bit. They come back, and boom, skis 200%. How do you join? Click the link at the bottom there. If you want to join us in Discord, click that link at the bottom. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Discord community, legend, or goats, not the sold out level. And then you get access to Discord. Ready? So we will hop up in a few minutes or so. Get the coconut oil. Doo-doo. Let's go. Let's go. Mm, I like it. Laura left and came to the options channel. Now she's been cooking with you guys. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done, skis. We need to yeah. We need to name the options channel like virus something. Anyways, we'll figure it out. Archer. Yep, yep. Again, I mean, honestly, you look at that thing stall like that, and then you get that yellow candle, the golden candle, you have a problem probably, right? It might be time to take those monies. It might be time to take the monies. You know? Yeah, the options channel is ultimate teamwork. So very, very, very should be very proud. Yeah, see, you're out. Okay. Continuous strength. Very nice, Wes. Loving it too, Virus. Loving it. Loving it. Positive vibes, teamwork. What more can you ask for? You know, cooking. Jeez, we really should have paid attention to DJT, huh? We should have looked for some. Really should have looked for some options there. Some call, some putters, especially on DJT. Absolute garbage. Especially after Trump bombed on that thing. Yeah, bombed. Yeah, I know. I saw your messages there, Wes. I just said well done on stream. Bomex. Yeah, look, it does look good actually. It looks really good. Nice breakout. Right there. That's a good breakout. At 83 cents, that was a good breakout. Now it's back above a dollar. That looks really good. Looks very, very good. So again, Wes has been spamming this one in Discord and Trade Ideas. Let's go. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, perfect. Yeah. See, it looks like you have resistance at 105 there, Wes. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, that was a good call. Saban, welcome to the community. So I'm gonna post an invite link for you in the chat there. So click that link. Welcome, welcome down. So click that link at the bottom there and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Alrighty. There's screenshots and videos showing you how to connect and then how Discord works. Alrighty. So again, click that link and follow the steps, Saban, and you should have access. It only works if you have the right membership. So if you're not a member, don't click on that link because it's not going to help you in any way at all. KAVL. Oh yeah, it is. Trying to hold it. Trying to hold it. The AVL. Yeah, as long as it stays above that 200 for sure. There's a. Did you get in on the breakout? Really, virus? My goodness. Hopefully they don't put you on on hold again though. Hopefully not virus. That's wild. Wild. There you go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's pretty far away though. $4.40 is far away, Sender, for Omex. Them. It does look good though, and red to green is always a good thing. So let me look at the daily on this thing actually. See, that's kind of the that's very similar to um, mRNA consolidating at the bottom there. But anyways, yeah, that was a pretty good bounce on that thing. Hmm, Pretty good bounce on that thing from 67 cents all the way back up. Nice, Wes. Good drops for the excessive fun. Let's go. Mm, I wonder why then. Dang it. Let's see here. Oh. Hmm. Uh, yeah, that would have been really nice. Shamir, there goes Obex. New highs of the day there, Wes. Congratulations. What are you holding, Shamir? Because you asking about all-time highs. I know you're actually asking for something else, but let me take a look. Above again. So if we can find a way to get back above the highs of the day, then you're most likely leaning in that direction. But today might just be an up and down day, honestly. Up and down, up and down. Right? You should be green on whatever you're holding, I think. If you're holding calls, I think you're green. But you notice how we're just going back and forth now? Like it's not really picking a direction. No. On Omex? Okay. 25. No, no news, Larry. Just a dead cat bounce. Really, PJ? Oh my goodness. Sugar is not good for you, please. Sugar is not good for you. Na, 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 na. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, guys, smash a like. Smash a like. we have like a few minutes left, and then we're gonna hop off. Smash a like, guys. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Smash a like. Let's get to 200 and do a giveaway. Uh, use monk fruit for the alternative. Interesting. Okay. Cookies. See, that's why I like avocados more now. Because they're healthier for you. Pears. They are. They are, PJ. Yup. Uh, almond flour. Yeah, no, the S&P is just going back and forth for now. So Shamir, we would need to break above if you want to get confirmation of brand new highs or push to all time highs. We need to break back above the highs of the day. So 570.30, 33, and then send it. Alrighty. It did as well. Okay. All I did was set an alert and it hasn't gone off yet. So then I just kind of left it alone. But yeah, it just looked interesting. Just looked interesting as well. Yeah, but yeah, the spread is something that I don't like on it. I think that when we initially looked at this thing, that it was at 19,000 shares for volume. It's at 120,000 shares now. So the volume for sure is interesting. Changes in life, I'm not sure. Because uh yeah, yes. Omex is dropping them. NVVE is still just sitting at support, isn't it? Very interesting. And TGL, meh. Any let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and we're gonna hop off and go continue in Discord. Alrighty. Let me know if you have any last questions. UXIN is pushing. UX new highs of the day. Yeah, that thing's been slowly going there. Nice breakout. UXIN. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, he's been spamming that one in Discord too. GPUS. GPUS. Oh, GPUS. That was a nice pop. The spread on this one too is a bit interesting, isn't it? In stock general span, again, make sure you watch that video though. That shows you all the channels and how everything works. Please, are you connected? Are you good to go? Yeah, I think you're good to go. Perfect. Yeah, so stock general is where we're at. So just make sure that make sure you watch the video though in the getting started channel. That shows you all the channels and what everything does. And we're going to be in stock general, already in chatting in them. Trisha, what do I think of NUKK? Let me take a look. What's your position? Are you in this thing, or you're just asking Trisha? Let me know, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. Healthy, yeah. No, it's good though. Like everything in moderation, right? It's when you're constantly having sugar and everything else, but then that's a problem. Yeah, Trisha, what's your question on this one? Let me know. It's up 14% today. So if you're in it already, then maybe you are happy about it. Happy, green. Major resistance at 28 cents, which is we broke above it today, but obviously could not stay above it. So um, yeah, what are you looking for though? That is the way. And yeah. So that daily looks like it's not going to give me anything here, but if I zoom into the 1 minute though, it does look like it's finding support, right? 22, 23.50. And then yeah, 28, 27 for resistance. Just watching it low float. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it looks like this morning it's holding 23 cents. So if it can stay about 23 cents, 23 cents then you should be okay, Trisha. Alrighty, alrighty. Okay, cool. We're gonna leave it here for today, though. Again, Omex still looks good, so most likely something to keep watching into the afternoon. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff that looks good, but we need breakouts here now. Thank you, Jay. Later. See you in Discord. Alrighty, be safe, everybody. Have a wonderful afternoon. Hopefully, something can go boomski today because I feel like it will, but pretty slow, boring day. Scalps, though, good scalps, right? Make quick monies and get out and move on. Alrighty. Um, Catch you guys in Discord. I know, right, Raven? I know. Only 40 away, but people are still slacking, Slacking, Raven. I don't know what's going on. Maybe tomorrow. Later, Joe. Well done today. PJ, have a cookie and that's it, please. Jericho, stay green, not greedy. Thank you. And yeah. Olu, thank you. Have a wonderful afternoon. Don't give back those gains exactly, Dan. Have a wonderful afternoon, Dan. See you in Discord. Later, all. Much love, everybody. Be safe. Bye, all. Bye. Bye.